Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to multiply two numbers between 90 and 100 very quickly, and we will use something that is known as the complement method. That will be one of the steps to multiply the two numbers. So now let us start straight away with an example. So let us say that we want to multiply 94 by 93. So the way you would proceed this to solve this example is the base for this 94 is going to be 100. Right. We discussed this in the complements method that if you want to find out the base nearest to a number, it is nothing but 1 followed by the number of zeros in the number, the number of digits in the number. So for example, here we have two digits, that is 9 and 4, so 1 followed by two zeros, that is the 100, is the nearest base of 10 for 94. Same thing for 93 as well. Now what we do is we find out complement of 94 and 93, and we use the method known as the subtracting all the numbers from 9 and the last one from 10 to obtain the complement. So 9 minus 9, to find the complement of this, we have 9 minus 9 is 0, and 9 minus 4, sorry, it will be 10 minus 4, because 10 from 4 is, it gives you 6, and you have to put a minus sign over here because it is 6 away from 100. 94 is minus 6 away from 100. Similarly, if we want to find out the complement of 93, so I'll put this negative 9 minus 9, all from 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0, and 10 minus 3 is 7. Now please note that the number of digits that we have over here, 06 and 07, these digits must be same as the number of digits in the base, and therefore I have written 06 and 07 instead of just writing 6 and 7. Otherwise, if we do not write the number of digits here same as the number of digits in the base, the number of zeros in the base, this method will not work. Now we follow the method to find out. So what you do is you multiply this two numbers. So 6 sevens are 42, and because it is minus 6 into minus 7, so this becomes a positive. And now either you can subtract 94 minus 7, you can do this subtraction, or you can do this 93 minus 6. So I'm just using this sign, whatever is it. So whichever you do, let's say that I'm doing 94 minus 07, it gives me 87. I would get 87 even if I do 93 minus 6. So my answer is 8742. Okay, now let us solve another example, and this time trying to be a bit quicker. So we have 96 to be multiplied by 99. How would I do? The base is 100. How far is this from base? So we know all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 9 is 0, and 10 minus 6 is 4. So this is 0, 4. Similarly, 99. The complement for 99 is all from 9. 9 minus 9 is 0, and last from 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Now what we do is we simply multiply these two. So 4 times 1 is 4. But remember, we need two digits here because there are two zeros in the base. So we write it as 04 over here, and then you simply subtract this or this to get the final two digits. So 96 minus 91 is 95. So your answer for this is 9504, and you can see that with practice this method becomes even faster. So let us do a few more examples and you can try solving with me. So let us do 96 multiplied by 99, and I am doing these slowly, just thinking out aloud so that you can follow the method again and again. So we find out the base 100, and the complement would be minus 04. You remember we need this two zeros, then minus 01 is the complement for this. To get the answer, we multiply these two together, okay, and we get 4 times 1 is 4, but we have the 0, and 96 minus 1 is 95. So this is 9504. And looks like I did this example again. It was done earlier. Never mind, let us try a few more ones. So let's do 92 multiplied by 98. So you don't need to write the base, it's understood that it's 100. And so what is going to be the complement? It is 08 and 02. 8 times 2 is 16, positive 16, and 92 minus 2 or 98 minus 8 is going to give you 90. So 9016 is your answer. Let us do two more. So let's say you want to do 97 multiplied by 97. So you know that the complement is minus 03 minus 03. Multiply these two, it becomes 09, and 97 minus 3 is 94. So your answer is 9409. One last. So we have 91 multiplied by 98. What is the complement of 91? It is going to be 09. For 8 it is 02, and then 9 times 2 is 18. So you write 18 over here, and 98 minus 9 is 98 minus 9 is going to be 89. So we have 8918 is the answer. So you can see that we use the method of complement and this multiplication method to quickly give us product of two numbers which are between 90 and 100.